Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tech Tips with Mr. Reece. We are going today to be looking at a website called PDFCandy. If you've never seen PDFCandy, it is amazing. I am here on PDFCandy, and this is a free online PDF editor. It allows you to do a lot of the things that sometimes as educators we find we don't have the rights to do with the equipment that we've been given. You can take a PDF and change it to a JPEG. It allows you to convert to different programs. You can lock and unlock PDFs. You can create an OCR code. You can crop. You can resize. All kind of things to do here, and it's really easy to use. I'm going to show you a couple of things to do. Here's the first one. Here's the one that I like the most. It's delete pages from a PDF. So I've created a couple of PDFs just to use. I'm going to take the PDF that is too many pages, and I'm going to very simply remove this first page, and I want to delete it. Now, it's deleted. All I've got to do now is download the new file. And you'll see when I open it up, that remove page at the beginning is done. It's gone. That was simple, right? That's what I'm telling you. This website is too easy. You can go back to the original site, and there's other things that you can do. Maybe you've got a couple of PDFs that you want to merge. So I'm going to take too many pages and red numbers, and I'm going to open both of them at the same time. I'm going to merge the two files, and you'll see that when I download those, and this is very quick, you can see that I'm doing this right here while I'm talking to you. There's the red numbers, and there's the other file. They've now been merged into one PDF. And again, I didn't have to buy anything. I didn't have to register. This was all free. There's other things. You can see all of these different options that are here for you. I've got a couple of projects that I'm working on. I like this one. This one is Rearrange Pages. This one's pretty cool too. Maybe I don't want to go 1, 2, 3. I want to go 4, 3, 1, 2, 5. And I still want to get rid of that one. So see, it is very easy to use. It takes just a second, and I'm here at home today with my dinosaur DSL, and that was still pretty quick. So imagine how much quicker this would be if you were online at school. But take some time when you can, look at this. Sometimes we buy lesson plans online, and they come with a introductory page that we may not necessarily want to keep, so we want to delete those. We want to take those out. This site lets us do that pretty easily. This site also lets us convert back to different formats. Do I want it to go to a document or a docx or a JPEG? It allows me to convert those things. What else is here that it allows you to take a document to a PDF. That allows you to create and add a watermark. So that's kind of cool. You know, you can do a watermark text or an image. Maybe I want to put my face in there. So when I add the watermark to that, we'll see how this looks. This could be dangerous, right? So we'll see how this looks. This one's downloading again relatively quick. So now you can see I've added a watermark to my document. Didn't take but just a second. So I hope you find this beneficial. I hope you like PDFCandy. It's easy to use and it's free, and that's always good. Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today's edition of Tech Tips with Mr. Reece. Don't forget, subscribe down below and share it with your friends. Bye.